What's up, YouTube? Soul Killer here. Just making a video because I haven't actually made a video in a while, but this is one of the projects I've been working on. It is, well, not really sure what to call it. Don't have a name for it yet, but it's pretty big, as you can see. The firing system, it uses a rail system with a short firing pin. The actual pin is just a blue rod in length, as you can see. So that allows to make the barrel longer, giving it more power. But magazine holds 6 shots. I've got 3 in there and 3 out here to show you how you load it. Loading's pretty simple. Just put them in through the front. And if I continue, I'll make a better way to load. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep going with this project or not. Then that's all loaded up. Just take this. So that's what holds the pusher down at the bottom. I'll take that out and snap it in right there. And then firing, all you have to do is pull this back all the way, and the trigger is right there. And it catches right there, the top of the red connector. I don't know if you can see that, but it catches on the bottom part of the blue connector for the RAM, and that's how the trigger holds it in place. But this is firing. Got a good amount of power. Not sure if you saw that, but the ammo actually just blew apart. And again, that one actually stayed together. Oh, band came off. Let me just put this back on real quick. There we go. Huh. Not sure what's going on here. Oh, anyway. That's it. For some reason it doesn't want to fire. But like I said, it's a work in progress, so. Alright. See ya.